This is an excellent condition Hobart MG2032 200-pound hopper, meat mixer grinder with foot control. This particular one is serial number 27-1173-080. Manufacture date October 2007. These have had electrical and engineering improvements over the course of the years, as the first model of the MG2032 came out about '98. There's been a lot of improvements over the years. The electrical is simplified and moved forward in these newer ones. There's other improvements as well. You can see how clean all the panels are on this one. It's very good shape. I'm going to run it for you here now. So the top mixer is a 1 horsepower. The bottom worm is a 7.5 horsepower. It does come with these, it's tough to see, comes with 3 new plates, 2 new knives, different size. It's all number 32 attachments on this MG2032. Bowl inside, it's great shape. No major dings or dents or anything like that. The awesome thing about this one is the transmission is perfect and extremely quiet. To start, you got to have this down, as there's a safety, and we'll just start the mix arm, which is 1 horsepower. It's nice and smooth. When you have meat in there, obviously there's going to be no squeaks. For mix grind, that's going to engage the 1 horsepower top motor, which you just heard, as well as the 7.5 bottom. That's exactly how they should sound. Transmission bearings on the bottom are perfect. Some of them can get really rough, and to replace the bearings is extraordinarily expensive, a few thousand at least. To do the foot control, you hit the foot control switch, and this will do the mix grind, just hands-free. Also, you can also hear how quiet and nice the transmission is on this. If I stop it, pull the bottom worm out, and now run the mix grind. This is the mix grind running with the worm out, and it's perfect. If you have questions on this one, let me know. This is in Thrane Equipment's eBay store. Thanks for